Here we are playing around with the sector table in the form of my new monitor, and I've just got a split screen set up here. This is one of the thorax guys, and we've got a 3D on the right, and there we go. I'll go back to one of the more standard tissue. Let's try that one. There we go. It's got a nice visualization of, it's a contrast CTA, so they've obviously got some contrast in the aorta, you can see there. Showing it's going to give the best visualization for angio. Yeah, okay, there we go, that's nice. We have, obviously we have some celiac trunk and SMA. Let's see if it captures this. There we go, so there's SMA there. There's celiac trunk here. We've got the heart itself. So remember, this is because this is a contrast agent in the blood, this is kind of like an internal mold of the main chambers. So we've got left ventricle there, left atrium there. We've got, sorry, I got that wrong. Right ventricle there. It's got to be left ventricle there. We've got pulmonary trunk coming up here, and we've got aorta arch coming out here, and pretty sure I can see some. Can I see coronary arteries? Yeah, not sure I can see the coronaries. Really good visualization of the pulmonary arteries and also pulmonary veins. Let's see if I can get rid of that. No, I managed to, there we go, remove the sternum, giving us a clearer view of the heart. If we come over to the other side, here I've got the actual CT data, which I can scroll through. If I hit shift and double click on the 3D, you can see that it takes me to the relevant part on the 2D. So that's a good way to sort of correlate 2D and 3D. Here we go with scrolling up through the 2D. I can get the windowing a bit better. There we go. So we're seeing, let's scroll up. Not sure how I did that. Okay. Let's try scrolling. Let's, okay, coming down again. So we've got aortic arch there, pulmonary trunk there, into the main chambers. You can see left and right ventricles. I'm guessing this contrast hasn't had time to go right around, so it hasn't got back into the into the venous system maybe. All right, let's stop recording and see if